Yo, it's Cash Hanky, you fucking with Jada.
Alright, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Baby. And right now we are about to go get another car. Yeah, as y'all saw from the thumbnail, I brought another car. I just keep buying cars, but I am gonna start selling them soon. Oh yeah, have to put my tow truck car. There we go. Just left the crib. It's about 10, 11, I believe. Yeah, probably still 10. We're about to make our way down to Virginia again. We're only 5 minutes away. Yep. Yeah. Look at that, 302. It's 2:57. We left at 11. So nice little ride. I'll show y'all as soon as we pick up the car. Oh shit, you got the old Chevy truck. You got a 450 on the back of that, bro. Another thing from what this one is an 84, 35. I'm gonna show y'all why I got this one in a second so you can go over. Alright, so this is why I got it. She is a manual. Yep. So your boy Baby got a stick nail. Gotta do some adjustments for sure. Definitely get some of it. Get out. Yeah. Got the name, she looks lowered. Let's see. It looks like we're gonna need some work in here for sure. Sheesh. Can't see if she on coil. Basically, something definitely leaking now. Something's definitely leaking. Yeah. No sign of coilovers just yet. Probably gotta wait till we get back. I feel like they got some kinda newer parts on there, so just gotta go over, see what. I'm about to close this. I am going to sell the other one that I got last week because no point I having two. This one, of course, like I said, because it's a manual. So now we just go home and figure out what's going on in there. See what's in there. Key in there? Yeah, the key in there.
Grab some jump box out the big seat.
So first thing I noticed, because he told me he had his jump box, he got some coilovers, some DC coilovers on here. They try to jump the batteries now. Negative, negative, positive, positive. Okay. Alright. Give us a go. Let's see, let's see. I don't even think it powered on. Yeah. Let's see if it started now. Ah, here's something.
Look.
Yeah. Key in it. This shit won't even turn.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
Probably gotta figure it out when I get back. I don't want to break me. I hear it, but the key won't even turn. The key won't even turn.
Let me play with the jump box. Oh, it's a stick shift. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Oh man. Hold the clutch down, hold the brake, hold the brake. Hold the brake. That's how you start it. I don't think it's in neutral.
That's gear. That's neutral.
Push the clutch all the way down. Look at this. Give it some gas. You still on the clutch?
Mm-hmm.
Hold on. Let me check the jump box.
Let's try again. I think the battery's super dead and like something wrong with the engine probably.
Yeah.
We got 161. Dash, service engine and battery light. So I'm gonna try to take the battery out the other one when we get back. Try to see if she start up then. Alright, we go from there. Put it back in gear. I'm putting it in gear. I'm definitely changing this. This got to go. As soon as possible. But I'm about to get out of here. See y'all soon. We out of here. So I think I found a little bit of the problem. Probably not why it's not starting, but bad condenser. What's that? Brand support. Some wires going down there. The wires probably need to be plugged up or something. So figure that out. So get back. Yeah. Funny little baby. Something new to the channel. This man brought me all the way to Virginia with a trainer on the back. He crazy. But no, hop back on here to show y'all this.
Holy
Yeah, she definitely might need a lot of work. Full joint came on. So I gotta look at that for the oil. The oil filter came off from the engine. So I gotta see if that's completely broke. Look like the sway bar link is broke. So I still gotta get under here and look, but I do know that if all else fails, I will be swapping everything from this body into the other body, just to rather be safe and sorry. So I guess we'll check it out when we get back. We got no choice, right? See y'all when we head back to Philly. We're about 2 hours out. Alright, so we just got it off the trailer. We pulling off. Got my man doing it out here. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we made it back to the shop. So you can see, I think they went up on the curb or bottomed out or something. The only shit it fucked up is it sound like it's on this side. But little airbag. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to lock these doors by hand because they don't lock. Got the key. Well, because it don't got power right now. Then we got a little Playboy bunny over there, but yeah. I'm about to take it on home.